Meet the next generation of fire with the BioLite Camp Stove 2 Plus, a portable wood-burning stove that creates smokeless flames while generating usable electricity so you can cook your meals and charge your devices all at the same time. Featuring a patented thermoelectric design and an integrated onboard battery, you can turn your fire into power in real time or store your electricity for whenever you need it. The LED interface provides instant feedback on what's going on inside and features 4 fan speeds to control the size of your fire. Use the included flex light to illuminate your nighttime cooking with accurate color render technology, and integrate with BioLite accessories for a perfect camp kitchen. And anytime you go off the grid with BioLite, you're helping us bring safe, reliable energy to households around the world. Clean energy is all around us. We just need the right tools to unlock it. Discover a smarter, cleaner campfire with the BioLite Camp Stove 2 Plus, part of the BioLite energy ecosystem.